Imagine a faceless YouTube channel pulling in an insane $100,000 every single month. It's real, and it's exactly why faceless videos are the new goldmine in 2025. Today, I'm going to show you the exact viral video strategy and YouTube SEO techniques to make that kind of passive income possible. If you want to turn views into cash, stick around. And hey, if you're excited, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of these money-making secrets. I've spent years building YouTube channels just like this one. In fact, I run multiple faceless channels that earn me thousands of dollars every single month thanks to these strategies. I dove deep into AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and 11 Labs Voice to crack this code. Trust me, this is a proven blueprint. If I could figure it out step by step, so can you, and I'll be right here guiding you the whole way. So what's a faceless YouTube channel? It literally means you never show your face on camera. Instead, you use engaging voiceovers, animations, stock footage, or text slides to tell your story. In 2025, this approach is exploding. It's like the new gold rush for passive income. Think scary story narrations, tech explainers, or top list videos, all without ever stepping in front of the camera. Your personality shines through your style and voice, but the mystery of anonymity is part of the viral appeal. Step 1. Choose your niche. I recommend something with a broad audience and evergreen interest. Horror and scary stories are perfect. They attract millions of viewers and have endless content ideas. We'll use a spooky story channel as our example. With tools like ChatGPT, brainstorm your channel name and video topics. For instance, ask it creative channel names for a horror narration channel and you might get Midnight Tales or Haunted Story Vault. Verify trending interest using vidIQ or Google Trends. The stronger your niche resonates, the faster you'll grow. Step 2. Set up your channel. Go to YouTube and click Create Channel. Now give it a catchy name. For example, you might name it Haunted Story Vault or Nightmares Channel. If naming is hard, use ChatGPT, tell it your niche and ask for creative channel names, then pick one you love. Next, write a channel description. Ask ChatGPT to draft a short blurb with keywords like horror stories, creepy tales, true scary stories. Paste that into your About section. Finally, set a unique handle. Done, you now have a branded channel ready to grow with great YouTube SEO. Step 3. Design your logo. A great logo makes your channel memorable. We'll use Leonardo AI for this. In Leonardo, choose a square canvas and the Phoenix Art preset for high-quality output. Now, go to ChatGPT and say, write an image prompt for a scary story channel logo. It might give you something like a full shot of a ragged ghost silhouette grasping a battered, rusted lantern, standing alone in a decaying, narrow alley deep in the night. Paste that prompt into Leonardo AI and hit generate. In seconds you'll have multiple logo options. Download the one that feels perfect and upload it in your channel's branding section. Your brand looks professional and spooky now. Step 4. Write your video script. Here's a power move. Find a top-performing video in your niche and grab its link. I use a tool called NoteGPT.io to get the full transcript of that viral video. Next, paste that transcript into ChatGPT and say, rewrite this in my style with fresh examples and excitement. If it's too long, cut out the second half. ChatGPT will output a unique, engaging script for you. Specify your desired video length too so it paces correctly. Now you have a scripted story that has the proven hooks of a viral video, tailored entirely to your voice. Step 5. Create the voiceover with AI. No microphone needed. We'll use 11 Labs. Go to 11labs.com and paste your final script. Choose a voice that fits the mood. Hit generate, and within seconds you'll hear your script spoken naturally. You can even adjust the speed or tone for extra drama. Download the MP3. This is your professional narration, ready to sync with your video images. Step 6. Generate your video visuals. Tell ChatGPT, give me 10 detailed prompts for video images based on my scary story script. It will give prompts like an ancient haunted tree or a hand holding a lantern in a dark corridor. Open Leonardo AI, set the canvas to 16:9 widescreen in cinematic mode, and paste each prompt one by one. Click Generate for each. In moments, you'll have a gallery of high-quality, thematic images that fit your narration perfectly. Download them all. These are the visuals that will bring your story to life. Step 7. Edit the video. Open CapCut or your preferred editor. Import all the AI images in order and place them on the timeline. Drag your voiceover MP3 onto the audio track. Stretch each image to match the narration timing. To add movement, apply a subtle zoom pan effect on each image so it feels alive. Use smooth transitions, fade in, out, between scenes. Overlay text captions or bullet points highlighting key phrases. This also boosts retention and SEO. Finally, export in 4K 60 FPS for top-notch quality. Your video is now polished and ready.
You were never meant to be. Her name was Ava. Beautiful, calm, elegant. That night, she had just finished dinner with some friends, and she chose to walk home. Felt wrong. Too narrow, too dark. Tall brick walls, no windows, no signs, just shadows. And the pavement, wet, cracked, and smelling like iron. She stopped, looked back, nothing. But ahead, a faint glow appeared, dim orange like firelight, and then she heard it. Dragging footsteps, feet scraping against stone. Many of them, dozens. From the shadows, they crawled from drains, alleys, behind fences, holding old rusted lanterns, and their flames, green, red, blue, unnatural. But they didn't see her. Not house, tall, gothic, covered in ivy and soot. That house, it didn't belong there. It didn't belong anywhere. One by one, they reached the door and vanished. No knocking, no opening doors. She raised her lantern and said, "We've been waiting for you, Ava."
Step 8. Optimize and publish. A great video needs a great title and thumbnail. Use ChatGPT. Create a catchy YouTube title for a scary story video with keywords. For example, 10 terrifying true horror stories that will keep you up at night. Take that title and run it through vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find top tags and trending keywords to include. Do the same for your description. Have ChatGPT write a SEO-rich description with keywords and a call to action. For the thumbnail, try Leonardo again. Prompt it like terrified face lit by phone screen in dark, horror vibe. Add bold text on the image. Upload your video with this title, description, tags, and thumbnail. Then share it on social media and let YouTube's algorithm work its magic. Monetization time. Now that your channel is growing, it's time to earn. At 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for YouTube AdSense, then ads on your videos start paying you per view. In the meantime, use affiliate marketing. Add links in your description to relevant products like horror novels, recording gear, or even your own merch, spooky t-shirts, mugs. Promote your video in Facebook groups or Reddit threads to spark more views. Remember, each 1,000 views can earn a few dollars from ads, plus each affiliate sale is extra cash. Keep creating and optimizing. This is how you turn views into true passive income. And that's a wrap. You now have the complete blueprint to launch a profitable faceless YouTube channel. Remember, choose the right niche, brand it well, create content with AI tools, optimize with SEO, and monetize smartly. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What niche will you pick? Comment below. Thank you for watching, stay creative, and get ready to turn those faceless videos into real income. See you in the next video.